When you click on the link, the 3D version of the Scoil will load and open in a new window. You will see blue tags at various locations around the campus. Clicking on these will open a short information video about the subject or activity. Using your mouse pointer, click on different parts of the floor to move forward. Clicking and holding the mouse will allow you to rotate around the room and see it from every angle. On the bottom left of the screen, click on View Floor Plan. This will show you a 2D version of each floor. Click on Floor Selector to choose a floor. Clicking on a room will bring you directly to that room and show it in a 3D version. Clicking the View Floor Plan again brings you out and you can select another room. At the bottom of the screen there are 5 3D pictures. These show some more facilities around the grounds of the Scoil.